Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. And stick around until the end. Our giveaway's almost wrapped up, and if you've been following along, you already know what's up. This one's about a small oversight that almost turned into a big headache. The mystery of the missing chamfer. We were running a batch of small stainless steel components with a few tight tolerance features and a 45-degree edge break around one of the bores. Simple enough. One finishing pass with a chamfer mill at the end of the program. But when the first few parts came out, the chamfer was barely visible. Looked like the tool wasn't even touching the part. We checked the code, the tool path was there. We checked the offsets, fine. Then we looked closer and realised the chamfer tool had been replaced earlier that morning with a smaller diameter cutter. The tool's size wasn't updated in the offset table, so the path ran just shy of the surface. It was a subtle mistake, but it made a big difference. One quick edit to the tool offset, reran the job, and just like that, the chamfer came back crisp and clean. Lesson learned. Even the smallest diameter change can throw off a critical feature. Always double check your tool data after a swap, even if it looks close enough, because close enough doesn't cut in precision machining. Before we wrap up, a reminder that Chuck's Corner giveaway is almost at its end. You already know the deal. Make sure you've got an active, registered MachiningCloud account and like, comment and subscribe on this video for your chance to win a brand new smartwatch. Perfect for anyone who lives by cycle times. The winner will be announced at the end of the month, so don't miss out. Oh, and if you're heading to Top Shops in Charlotte, North Carolina on November the 11th from 12th, come see MachiningCloud at booth 9. Stop by, say hi and talk shop with the team. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.